Hi, this is Robin from Apple iPhone Apps, and I'm here to bring you a first look at Weightbot by Tapbots. This application is going for $1.99 in the App Store right now, so let's see if that price tag is worth it. I'm going to go ahead and enter the application. Now, upon entering the application, it's going to bring you to a screen of instructions. There they are. Pretty much it goes through 6 steps to show you how to use the application, but I'm going to go ahead and do that, so I'm going to close that screen. Alright, basically this application is used for tracking your weight, and it also calculates your BMI. But before it can do that, you need to enter a couple fields. You need to enter your goal weight, your height, and if you want a password so no one can see how much you actually weigh. I'm going to go ahead and hit the goal weight button. Okay, now it brings you to this screen where you can actually choose your goal weight. And I really like this interface. Alright. My goal weight would be about 100 pounds. Go ahead and hit save once it's selected. Okay, now you have to enter your height. So once again, click on the height. And the same thing. My height is 5'2". Perfect. And hit save. Okay, now it gives you the option to enter a password. So right now it says off. Go ahead and click that button. And it'll bring you to this screen where it asks you to enter a 4-digit passcode. And enter it again, and now it is saved. Now you can always turn this on or off. You can also turn the sound on or off and change the units. But since I'm in the US, I'm going to keep it there. Alright, and go ahead and hit done. Now the next screen it brings you to is the main screen where you enter your daily weight. To enter the weight, hit the screen. And it brings up this bar at the bottom. And just go ahead and select your weight for that day. I was about 105.1. That works. Alright, and hit the screen again. And now that weight is actually set for that date. Now, if for some reason you made a mistake, it's okay. All you have to do is pick up the iPhone and give it a good shake. And there we go. It resets it back to 0. Kind of a funny feature there. Alright, and then to re-enter, just go ahead and do what we did before. Perfect. And select. And that's pretty much all the features, except for when you turn the phone on its side, you can also get a great view of a graph. There we go. Now, since I've just started this application, you can't see any previous weights on the dates before, but if you had, then you would see it all nicely laid out on this graph. Now, something missing from this application is that there are no data summary for the average weight lost for the last week or over the last month. So that would be a really great feature to add. Also, something that I found was missing was a field showing how much further I have to go before I actually reach my goal weight. Now, the developers on iTunes have actually said that a couple features will be coming soon, like the ability to back up and restore your data, moving the average view in the graph screen, multiple graph screens for month and year, like I just said, and also the removal of the 90-day limitation to modify your data. Also, an alternate data view with information on pounds lost to date per month or week. And also an option to add notes, like what I ate for that day, or if I worked out, and see if that has an effect on my weight loss or weight gain. Now, would I recommend this application? For myself, I would say that if all the features are mentioned are added, then it might be worth the $1.99 price tag. But for right now, unless it's free, it's not really worth it. But some might like the simplicity of it. For more application information, go to our website at appleiPhoneapps.com. And if you like this video, subscribe to our podcast at iTunes. Once again, I'm Robin, and I'll sync with you next time.